doesn't stop. That makes no sense. Oh yeah, so I'm here to talk about something very important. That of course only applies to California. Of course, that only applies to California. I don't know what you're over there for. Anyways, what was I going to say? Oh yeah, so there's been a new law recently that came in the first of this year. The first in this year. I can't talk today. It's too early. Anyways, so I've been doing some research into it, and it seems like that purpose of that law is for street racers, apparently. Huh. Interesting. Now, I can kind of understand that, but really? And if you pull over for a loud exhaust, you'll hear the cops mentioning about street racing, which I find that as not invigorating, but I forgot the word. Assuming about something, this and that, you know. Is it invigorating? Invigorating? No, I don't remember the word exactly, but you get what I mean for somebody who knows. Anyways, but yeah, that's how I find it. It's like, no, just because somebody has a loud exhaust on a car or bike doesn't mean they're into racing. No, that's stupid. And it's just like, I kind of don't like the idea because like you get the point really. You know, they did it for street racers. It does make sense, but in the end it just doesn't work out for everyone, you know. Hell, I've been hearing some things that like people are trying to get rid of that law and all that, trying to veto it out or something like that, by some fundraisers or something like that. And what the fuck, dude? Get the fuck away. Way too damn close. Give me 5 feet over here. I need 10. However, if you live in the state of Arizona, you don't need to worry about that because cops don't give a fuck. Especially when you're on a motorcycle, because if you're on a motorcycle in the state of Arizona, you do not need to go to emissions, which is pretty awesome because I could do a lot of things over here. I could literally put a full exhaust. I could delete the muffler and cut a converter and run it like that. Well, maybe not. You might get pulled over for that, just maybe. But I could never take out the muffler. Actually, they have. My bike doesn't even have a catalytic converter in it, to be honest. I just realized. But yeah, in the state of Arizona, bikes do not need to go through emissions. And cars, well, I have seen more people getting pulled over because of a license plate being tucked underneath, which is perfectly legal in Arizona, but police doesn't understand it. And then people getting pulled over from their exhaust. Actually, I've never seen someone get pulled over from the loud exhaust before. Now, I got pulled over a couple times with this bike, but they never give a fuck about my exhaust. I'm not asking you to Californians to move over here because, you know, we're full. You know? You're too damn full for everything. You see this traffic? Yeah, we don't need any more than that. What the fuck? This is why I hate trucks. I wonder if I can... Aha! Yeah, fuck you all. And I'm stuck there. So yeah, in the state of Arizona, on a serious note, we don't have that type of stupid laws. We only have one stupid law, and I still don't know why it's still a law. And that is, if a donkey is sleeping in a bathtub, that's illegal in the state of Arizona. I'm like, why? Why? I never knew why. But, oh, thought I heard something. Anyways, but yeah, that's how it is, really. It's a lot more chill, especially in the aftermarket community, you know. Really, all you gotta worry about is that is your car's passing emissions. If it passes emissions, that's perfectly fine. It's not as strict as California, especially. Motorcycles, you don't need to worry about that. You could literally take off the all the emission stuff on the it too. Hell, straight pipe it if you want to. They don't care. Hell, I even got some people from my school who has a Shadow, and it is fucking loud, like ridiculous loud. It's just a header, and then he welded in a little tubing tip, exhaust tip that points downwards. There's no baffle, no nothing on that bike, just a headers. Yeah, and he gets away with it. I see him come down every single day on that bike. Not turn signals. But yeah. And again, I'm not asking for you Californians to be moving over here, because, you know, we got too much traffic already, you know. I don't want to be like in California, what's even worse than over here. Okay? However, the only downfall on Arizona compared to California, and really compared to every other state but California for bikes, is like, for some reason California is the only state that allows lane splitting legally. New Yorkers does it all the time. New Yorkers does it all the time. There you go. It's much better said. And you know, it's reasonable why. But I honestly don't know why that in pretty much every other state they don't allow that type of thing. Now I know we went to the exhaust to this, but you get the point. Just saying.